Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start a topic halogen derivative. Okay, so this topic is very important in our board examination as well as in JEE and NEET because so many MCQs are asked on the basis of this halogen derivative in JEE and NEET exam. Okay, so let's start this topic halogen derivative. Okay, now what are halogen? What are halogen? So halogens are 17 group element in the periodic table, and halo means salt forming, and gene means family. Okay, so halogens are salt forming family. Okay, so halogen consists of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. But astatine is radioactive element. Okay, it has very short half-life period, and therefore it is difficult to study. So halogen derivative generally hydrocarbon compound or hydrocarbon form halogen derivatives. Okay, and halogen derivative are very important organic compound. Okay, then hydrocarbon form halogen derivative as I said. So how they form halogen derivative? So in hydrocarbon part there are carbon and hydrogen, not part, but in hydrocarbon there are only carbon and hydrogen. Okay, so when one or more hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon, aliphatic or aromatic, replaced by the corresponding number of halogen atom, the resulting compound form known as halogen derivative. Okay, so halogen derivative, the replacement of one or more hydrogen atom of aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon by corresponding number of halogen atom, the resulting compound form is known as halogen derivative. ओके, सो जेव्हा एक किंवा एकपेक्षा जास्त हायड्रोजन ॲटम ॲलिफॅटिक किंवा ॲरोमॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बनमधले रिप्लेस होतात बाय करस्पॉन्डिंग नंबर ऑफ हॅलोजन ॲटम, तेव्हा जे कंपाऊंड फॉर्म होतं त्याला हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असं म्हणतात. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल समजा आपल्याकडे आहे CH3 हा हायड्रोकार्बन आहे ज्याला आपण म्हणतो इथेन. ओके, जेव्हा इथेनमधला एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम हा हॅलोजनने रिप्लेस होतो CH3CH2X, तेव्हा हे जे कंपाऊंड फॉर्म होतं त्याला इथाइल हॅलाइड म्हटलं जातं. इथाइल हॅलाइड. ओके. किंवा या इथेनमधले 2 हायड्रोजन ॲटम, मग ते ॲडजेसनमधले असतील किंवा सेम कार्बनमधले असतील, रिप्लेस होतात बाय हॅलोजन ॲटम. तेव्हा अशा प्रकारचे कंपाऊंड फॉर्म होतात बघा. हे एक कंपाऊंड फॉर्म होईल जेव्हा या कार्बनमधले 2 हायड्रोजन ॲटम हे हॅलोजनने रिप्लेस होतील तेव्हा. ठीक आहे. किंवा ॲडजेसनमधले जर 2 रिप्लेस झाले, if 2 hydrogen atom of adjacent hydrocarbons are replaced by halogen atom, the compound form is known as halogen derivative. So all these are halogen derivative. ही जी कंपाऊंड्स आहेत 1 2 3 ही हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्स आहेत. ओके. आता हा झाला ॲलिफॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन. त्यानंतर ॲरोमॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन. समजा आपल्याकडे बेन्झिन आहे, बेन्झिन इज ॲरोमॅटिक अँड ॲरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड्स आर नोन ॲज अरिन्स. ॲरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंडला आपण अरिन म्हणतो. Benzene is arene. So when one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by halogen atom, एक समजा हायड्रोजन बेन्झिन मधला हॅलोजनने रिप्लेस झाला, किंवा 2 हायड्रोजन ॲटम जर हॅलोजन ॲटमने रिप्लेस होत असतील, किंवा 3 रिप्लेस होत असतील, तर जे कंपाऊंड फॉर्म होईल त्याला हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके. सो दीज आर नोन ॲज हॅलोअरिन्स. यांना हॅलोअरिन्स म्हटलं जातं. ओके. सो दिस इज अबाउट हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. सो पुन्हा आपण एकदा डेफिनेशन बघू. द रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ 1 or more हायड्रोजन ॲटम of aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by corresponding number of halogen atom, the resulting compound form is known as halogen derivative. Okay. Now next is classification. Classification of halogen derivative. So halogen derivatives are classified mainly into 2 types. Okay, on basis of 2 types. Number 1 is on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton. On the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen attached. Halogen atom is attached. Okay. So on the basis of this halogen derivative are classified into haloalkane. ओके. एक्झाम्पल जे आता मगाशी आपण लिहिले CH3CH2X किंवा CH2XCH2X. ओके. these are known as haloalkanes because hydrocarbon part is alkane. हा जो हायड्रोकार्बन पार्ट आहे तो अल्केन आहे. and alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. Okay. Now second, haloalkenes. Okay. So on the basis of carbon skeleton, halogen derivatives are also classified as haloalkenes. Now here hydrocarbon part is alkene, CH2 double bond CHX is haloalkene. Okay. Or we can write another example. this is also haloalkene. ठीक है. Then the third one is haloalkynes. Alkynes. So here hydrocarbon part is alkyne. Okay, so alkyne, for example, CH triple bond CX is haloalkyne. Okay, मी इथे पुन्हा लिहितोय हॅलो अल्काइन्स. CH triple bond CX is haloalkynes. Okay. So here hydrocarbon part is alkyne. We can write one more example. CH3 C triple bond C CH2 X. This is also haloalkyne. Okay, so hydrocarbon part is alkyne. Then the next one is haloarine. Haloarenes. So in haloarenes, halogen atom is attached to aromatic hydrocarbon, benzene, and the compounds which resembles to benzene are known as arenes or aromatic compound. Okay, so we can take example of benzene here. So when one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by halogen atom called haloarene. Okay, one more example. Okay, so this is the classification of halogen derivatives on the basis of skeleton, carbon skeleton to which the halogen is attached. Okay, now halogen derivatives are also classified on the basis of a number of halogen atom present in compound. Okay, so on the basis of number of halogen, B, on the basis of number of halogen atom, these are classified, halogen derivatives are classified into monohalogen derivatives, containing only one halogen atom, containing only one halogen atom. Okay, example is CH3 CH2X or aromatic hydrocarbon C6H5X. Both are monohalogen derivative because the compound contain only one halogen atom. ठीक है. Then dihalogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives. So dihalogen derivative contain or containing two halogen atoms. So this compound containing two halogen atoms. Okay, so for example CH2X CH2X. So this is dihalogen derivative, because there are two halogen atom attached to adjacent carbon atom or same carbon atom, CH3 CHX, here X. Okay, so these are aliphatic alkyl halides. Okay, aromatic alkyl halides. Okay, dihalogen derivative. Okay, then trihalogen derivative. Trihalogen derivatives. So trihalogen derivative containing three halogen atom in their structure. Okay, containing three halogen atoms. Okay, example CH3 CH, here X, CHX CH2X. Okay, or aromatic hydrocarbon part, here X or X. So both are example of trihalogen derivative. And on the basis of this number of halogen atoms, these are also classified as polyhalogen derivatives. Polyhalogen derivative. Poly means more than three halogen atoms, okay, containing more than three halogen atoms. Okay, example CH2X CHX 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 and CH2X. Okay, or okay, so these two examples are the polyhalogen derivatives. Okay, so on the basis of number of halogen atoms, halogen derivatives are classified into four types: monohalogen derivatives containing only one halogen atom in their structure, dihalogen derivatives containing two halogen atoms in their structure, trihalogen derivatives containing three halogen atoms in their structure, and polyhalogen derivative containing more than three halogen atoms in their structure. Okay, so this is about the classification of halogen derivative of alkane. Okay, now in our syllabus we are going to study the monohalogen derivative of alkane, okay, in details. Okay, so monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivatives. Okay, so monohalogen derivative of aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon. So these are the compounds containing only one halogen atom in their structure. These monohalogen derivatives are further classified on the basis of type of carbon atom and its hybridization to which the halogen is attached. Okay, so let's see the classification of monohalogen derivative. Classification. Okay, so monohalogen derivatives are classified on the basis of type of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. So on the basis of this, these are classified as alkyl halides, number 2 allylic halides, allylic halides, 3 benzylic halides, number 4 vinylic halides, and number 5 haloalkynes, and number 6 haloarenes. Haloarenes. So first, number 1, first classification, alkyl halides. So alkyl halides, these are the halogen derivative in which halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, for example CH3 CH2X. Okay, so here the halogen atom is attached to this carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. So alkyl halides may be primary compound or primary alkyl halides. So what are primary alkyl halides? So these are the alkyl halides in which the halogen atom is attached to the carbon atom which is primary. Okay, so this is primary carbon atom because it is attached to only one other carbon atom. Okay, so this is primary compound, primary alkyl halides. Now there may be secondary alkyl halides in which the halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom. So this is secondary carbon atom, this is primary carbon atom. So this is secondary compound or secondary alkyl halide. And third one, or you can say the alkyl halide may be tertiary. Okay, where the halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom. So this is tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary compound. Okay, so alkyl halides may be primary, secondary or tertiary. Okay, then the second is allylic halides. Allylic halides. So in allylic halides, the halogen atom is attached. Halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom. And next to carbon carbon double bond. Carbon carbon double bond. Okay, for example, CH2 double bond CH2X. Okay, so this is an example of allylic halide. So in this allylic halide, the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom and next to carbon carbon double bond. या कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड नंतरचा जो कार्बन येतो तो ॲलिलिक कार्बन असतो. दिस इज ॲलिलिक कार्बन. ॲलिलिक कार्बन atom. Carbon atom. The carbon atom which is next to carbon carbon double bond is allylic. So this allylic carbon atom may be primary. Okay, here it is primary allylic carbon atom. So this is primary allylic halide. Okay, so primary allylic halide may be primary, secondary secondary or tertiary. CH2 double bond CH CCH3 CH3X. So here in second structure halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom, so called it is secondary allylic halide. And in third example halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom, so called it is tertiary allylic halide. So okay, so understand allylic halide. So allylic halides, these are the halogen derivative of alkane, not alkane, halogen derivatives, in which the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon carbon double bond. So allylic halide may be primary, secondary or tertiary. ठीक है. त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट आहे थर्ड टाइप is benzylic halide. Benzylic halide. So in benzylic halide, halogen atom is attached or bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to benzene ring. Okay, for example, समजा एक आपल्याकडे स्ट्रक्चर आहे आणि त्यामध्ये ही बेन्झीन रिंग आहे आणि ह्या बेन्झीन रिंगच्या नंतर एक कार्बन आहे की ज्याला हॅलोजन अटॅच आहे. ठीक आहे. सो हा जो कार्बन आहे याला म्हटलं जातं बेन्झिलिक कार्बन ॲटम. बेन्झिलिक कार्बन. ओके, द कार्बन ॲटम नेक्स्ट टू बेन्झिन रिंग. बेन्झिन रिंग नंतरचा जो कार्बन आहे किंवा ज्या कार्बनला बेन्झिन रिंग अटॅच असते असा कार्बन हा बेन्झिलिक कार्बन होतो. ठीक आहे. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड बेन्झिलिक हॅलाइड. सो बेन्झिलिक हॅलाइड मे बी प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी और टर्चरी. इथे हा प्रायमरी कार्बन आहे की ज्याला हॅलोजन ॲटम अटॅच आहे. लक्षात येते ना. सो ह्याला म्हटलं जातं प्रायमरी बेन्झिलिक हॅलाइड. Primary benzylic halide. So benzylic halide may be secondary or tertiary. So here the example of benzylic halide which is secondary. Okay, so this is secondary benzylic halide. Okay, or benzylic halide may be tertiary. ठीक आहे. सो हा कार्बन जो आहे तो टर्चरी कार्बन आहे, त्यामुळे त्याला टर्चरी बेन्झिलिक हॅलाइड असं म्हटलं जातं. ठीक आहे. ओके. सो चौथा टाईप आहे व्हिनिलिक हॅलाइड. फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ monohalogen derivative is vinylic halide. Okay, vinylic halides. So in these vinylic halides, halogen atom is attached. Halogen atom is attached or bonded attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Hybridized carbon atom. Okay, carbon atom. So this is a type of, it is also, or we can write it is also halo alkene. Okay, so example of vinylic halide is CH2 double bond CHX is a vinylic halide. Okay, or we can write one more example, X. Okay, so here there is double bond and the halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So this is called vinylic halide. Now the fifth type, पाचवा टाइप आहे हॅलो अल्काइन्स. Halo alkynes. Okay, so in halo alkynes, halogen atom is attached to sp hybridized carbon atom. So in haloalkynes, halogen atom is directly attached to sp hybridized carbon atom. Okay, for example, CH triple bond CX. This is an example of haloalkynes. Here this carbon is sp hybridized, means both carbons are sp hybridized, and halogen atom is directly attached to sp hybridized carbon atom. Okay, then sixth type of monohalogen derivative is haloarenes or This is also called aryl halides. Aryl halides. Okay, haloarine or aryl halides. So in aryl halides, halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, which is a part of aromatic ring. For example, so this is benzene, and here the halogen is directly attached to this benzene ring, means it is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the benzene ring. Okay, so this is an example of haloarine or aryl halide. अजूनही आपण एक्झाम्पल लिहू शकतो. पुस्तकामध्ये तुम्हाला अजून एक एक्झाम्पल दिलं आहे की जिथे इथे CH3 आहे, इथाइल ग्रुप आहे आणि इथे हॅलोजन अटॅच आहे. ठीक आहे. सो हा हॅलोजन जो आहे तो इथे डायरेक्टली sp2 हायब्रिडाइज कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच आहे. सो दिस इज अबाउट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मोनोहॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. सो आता आपण इथे थांबू. यानंतरचा जो पार्ट आहे तो मी नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करेन. इथपर्यंत जर कोणाला डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता. ठीक आहे.